We hear a lot of people complain that by taking out the grass, we're contributing to the urban heat island effect and making things worse. Can you address those concerns and explain how the Water Authority is working to combat the urban heat island effect specifically?
Sure, Crystal. So every city in the United States is impacted by the urban heat island because cities have less vegetation than rural areas and they have a lot more thermal mass. They're naturally going to be warmer. It's also one of the reasons why the Water Smart Landscapes program requires that property include at least 50% living canopy coverage during a conversion. So what we're looking for is drip irrigated plants and trees. And we know that trees are the best plants around to provide shade on buildings, block walls, et cetera, to reduce that heat absorption and cool off that property with shade. This program has been very successful. We've planted over 4,000 new trees in Water Smart Landscape conversions to date. That's for both single family and enterprise properties. And that reflects about 1.7 million square feet of living canopy at maturity of those trees. So that's about 40 acres of new canopy or new tree coverage of drought tolerant trees that we've installed over the last 18 months or so.